Well, heading into town, got to go get some diesel from my tractor. So I've got to dig the ditch for the underground electrical from the house to the new service pole that I had them put in. Let me roll the windows down here so I can see. It's very dewy on my windows. Alright, well, we're out here on the road now. Be heading down. Hopefully the video comes out pretty good. I got the camera just propped on the dash. Not using a suction cup on it. But anyway, heading on in. I know it's been a while since I made some videos, especially ones with the tractor. So today, what I'm going to do, I got going in to get some diesel. Got to get some for the tractor. I don't have enough to do what I want to do in the tractor. And then when I get back, we're going to be digging a ditch from the new pole that they put on the property with the transformer on it. And they've got the house temporary back in on it right now. So I've got to dig from that pole over to the house. I've got a panel on the pole that's got a 200 amp disconnect in it. And so that's mainly what that's going to be used for. It does have spaces in it where if I wanted to come out from that panel and go off somewhere else, I could. But I'm going to be taking 200 amp underground over to a panel on the house. It's also got a 200 amp disconnect in it. And then I'll be putting a 125 amp breaker in there that will backfeed or will feed into the house once I get them out here to fire up the new meter on the pole and disconnect the house. So I'll be able to get all that hooked up hopefully and get that done. I've been wanting to do this for years, but I had that congestive heart failure, and so that put me about 3 years behind, because almost 3 years coming up next month, first part of next month, it'll be 3 years since I had my congestive heart failure. So you know, as far as that, I'm doing really great. I feel fantastic in that aspect. I've got problems with the hip bothering me. It's a pain in that, but beyond that, I'm doing pretty darn good. And so we'll see about getting the hip addressed a little bit down the road. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off, and because there's no sense in watching me drive all the way to town and all the way back. I may turn it back on the way back, make a few more comments, but we'll see. I'm going to pick this up probably later when I get out there to start digging with the backhoe. Man, I tell you, you know, let's come here and get some diesel. It's up to 285.9, so it's gone up right at about $1 since the new administration took office. Alright, this is what I'm going to be working on today. This is the new service pole that put in. I built that riser on it. The power company put it on there. I'm going to come out of that panel, which has got a 200 amp disconnect in it, and then dig across here over and come up on this panel and come right in here with it. So that's about 31 feet underground, and come up here. Now once I get that hooked up, I'll get a hold of them. They'll come out, they'll hook it back, they'll hook it up there, take that drop there down from the house, and this old meter can, I'll pull it off and put a junction box there, kearney the wires in that pipe to it, swing them over, come in here and feed from this 125 amp breaker, and we'll see if all that works out. So what I'll be doing today is digging this and doing the underground. Okay, day 2. Yesterday we got all this done and stuff. I couldn't get that pipe straight back against because there's a piece of concrete coming out of the slab down there, but it's good enough. And I still have to hook the wires up in there, but that's the ditch, so I'm gonna start covering it up.